Welcome to the Gorgeous Garden Bird Sculpture Workshop.
Hi, I'm Tania from Tania Holland Gallery, and I'm going to show you how to make one of these mini garden bird sculptures using my own mixed media techniques that I like to call Posh paper mache sculpture.
By the end of this tutorial, you'll be able to make at least 11 varieties of little birds. Posh paper mache is a mixed media sculpture technique that I've developed, which includes a particular paper mache recipe which is strong and water resistant. I've made life-size sheep and cows using this technique. To start making your actual birds, draw around your template onto your piece of scrap MDF. You can use strong corrugated card instead if you don't have any MDF or don't have the means to cut it. Please take care when using sharp knives. I've had a lot of practice, so I know what I'm doing. You'll need a glue gun for this next bit. You can buy them quite cheaply from hardware stores or hobby stores in the UK. You'll need some more newspapers to make my patented newspaper twists. I'm going to demonstrate a couple of birds for you so you can see how I do it. Now I'm going to make up the cardboard one, which is exactly the same, but you just need to be a bit more gentle with it. I'm going to demonstrate sculpting several birds for you so you can see how I do it. I'm going to start with the bird which is made of cardboard because it's a little more fiddly. Check that your bird sculpture is the same shape each side and not wonky. Now I'm going to demonstrate the bird that's made from wood so you can see any differences. Leave your bird sculpture to set and dry out for at least a couple of days. Make sure you use protective clothing because this will be dusty. Before we paint the birds, we need to give them an undercoat of white paint. This will help to seal and prime the bird's surface. I've chosen to demonstrate painting a green finch and a chaffinch for you because they're less familiar varieties of bird. See how the bird made of cardboard and the bird made of wood look almost exactly the same. You'll need a selection of paint colours and a thin paintbrush and a thick paintbrush. You can paint solid colours or try layering them up to create different effects. I'm going to use a grass green colour and I'm going to paint his head and shoulders as if he's wearing the hood part of a green hoodie. Now I'm going to use a mid-grey colour to paint a U-shaped line from his shoulder down to his tail. Green finches have a yellow bar on their wings, so I'm going to add that now. Now I'm going to decoupage it with some of my own hand-painted papers. You can find how to do this elsewhere in my blog. For the chaffinch, we're going to do an undercoat of orange. For his wings, paint a line across the nape of the neck and a U shape that meets at the base of the tail, like this. Next, you need a lighter coloured grey to paint his beak and head. Paint around the neck and then join it up with the middle of the beak, making a curve like this. I'm going to add some eyes to both of them with some paper that I've painted black. To finish them, you can varnish your bird. You can use any kind of clear varnish or even a layer of PVA.
I hope you enjoyed my gorgeous garden bird sculpture workshop. Check out my blog for extra tips and more video tutorials just like this.